Hello and welcome to this broadcast from the State Bank of Pakistan. Today, we'll go over the findings of a new SPP staff note which explores the potential of the Pakistan Post to enhance financial inclusion. The idea is that four factors give the Pakistan Post an edge over other financial institutions in reaching the financially excluded. Number 1. Affordability. Since the services of the Pakistan Post are often subsidized and cheaper compared to other service providers. Number 2. Penetration. The Pakistan Post branch infrastructure consists of around 2,400 delivery post offices and a much larger number of non-delivery ones, mostly located outside the 5 most populated cities. Number 3. Trust. The post office has been operational since Pakistan's formation in 1947 and carries an even longer history of service in the subcontinent. Along with postal services, its traditional savings bank is often the only financial service available in rural and remote areas. And number 4, practicality. Pakistan Post is well positioned to take up a number of financial services effectively. Take its recent initiative regarding delivery of international remittances with National Bank of Pakistan, for example. If this gathers momentum, it could help divert more international remittances to the formal sector and increase formal savings, while also creating prospects for the development of linked lending services and various types of insurance over time. These are elaborated in the staff note. Moving on, the experience of other countries provides further motivation, as Japan, China, Brazil, India, and Russia have all achieved notable gains by way of postal financial inclusion. The case of Japan is worth highlighting in particular. Amid a culture that encourages savings, Japan Post provided the platform for their accumulation since 1875. Later, these savings were used well for the post-World War II reconstruction of Japan, along with development of housing and small businesses. Coming back to our scenario, as in the case of other countries, Pakistan can also tap the potential of the post office to achieve some of the headline targets of the National Financial Inclusion Strategy by 2023. Now the question is, how can the way forward for the Pakistan Post be aligned with the broader goal of financial inclusion? Well, firstly, there is potential for the Pakistan Post to expand its banking function by extending loans and insurance services, especially in rural areas. The blueprints for such models of expansion are readily available for adoption. Secondly, the Pakistan Post could promote financial literacy among teenagers and incentivize them to open and maintain postal savings accounts from an early age. Thirdly, the Pakistan Post may consider establishing more strategic partnerships with commercial banks, especially Islamic banks. The post office could help disseminate information relating to its partner Islamic banks' offerings in particular. In return, the Islamic bank could have the opportunity to serve Pakistan Post's many traditional customers who remain excluded from traditional banking on religious grounds. Now, having said that, the Pakistan Post may have to address a few weak links as well. The important ones include compliance with financial regulations, including those related to AML-CFT, and the upgradation of its technology infrastructure in order to compete with other financial service providers. This brings us to the end of the broadcast. If you want to learn more, the complete staff note is available on the Publications tab of SPP's website. Goodbye.